The Directorate of Tourism, Andaman and Nicobar Administration has invited proposals for experienced consultants of consultant for development of 11 ecotourism sites in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. The selected firm will be required to prepare detailed report and request for proposal for selection of private partners for development of 11 ecotourism sites. These islands on PPP mode. As per the tender document, reputed firms having experience of providing consultancy services for projects development to central and state governments, ministries and departments or their affiliated agencies for at least 3 years. The experience required for startups will be at least 1 year. The firm should have satisfactorily prepared detailed projects reports or provided project development services to a government agency for at least one ecotourism site with minimum consultancy of rupees 50 lakhs within the last 3 financial years. For startups, the requirement would be at least one ecotourism site with minimum consultancy cost of rupees 20 lakhs within the last 1 year. Proof of such assignments and completion certificate should be enclosed. The selected firm shall complete the task within 90 days from the date of award. Qualification bids can be submitted till December 31st, 2020 latest by 3 pm along with an earnest money deposit of rupees 2 lakhs. Date and time of opening financial bids will be announced after opening the technical bids. More details can be obtained from the official website of Andaman and Nicobar Administration.